Starting a new series, man. Courts, Rants. You see it going across the screen, maybe? I don't know. I'll figure that out. Basically, I'm just going to talk about some of the things that I don't like in this fragrance community of ours, man. And I got one up next. Stay tuned. Yo, what's good, friends? It's your boy Court. Just another fragrance review. It should be sprinkling across the screen as we speak. Before we get into some business, let's get into some business. Follow me on my things at CourtMC on both Instagram and Twitter. The real JAFR on TikTok. Also, man, if you're in the building for the first time, welcome. My name's Court, just like I said in the beginning. This is just another fragrance reviewer, and it's kind of in the title, we review fragrances. Also, we talk about, where to buy, how to apply, etc., etc. If you're here right now, I appreciate you. I really do. Stay a while. Watch the video to the end. I'm giving nothing away yet. Hopefully, as we grow, I'll be able to do those type of things. You see other channels that get people, decants and samples and full bottles and stuff like that. Maybe I'll get that one of these. Maybe I'll get that one of these days, man. Also, do me a favor. Over here, let me get my finger in the right way. Should be some videos popping up. If you haven't watched those, check them out. If you have, to watch them again, hell. In this joint, just want to talk about one of the things that I noticed that kind of annoys me about some fragrance reviewers. And name any names they got to, who really cares? Just some of the topics that they talk about. One in particular that bothers me is the top 10 fragrance that make her, top 10 fragrance that'll drive her, et cetera, et cetera. You know what I'm saying? Those videos are the hell out of me, basically. And the reason why I say that, think of fragrance as the cherry on top, right? Of a sundae. You're the sundae. Fragrance, the cherry on top. You get it? Sundae, cherry, top. Like hat. Anyway, there is no fragrance in the world that will, I guess, make you more attractive to the opposite sex or the object of your desire. It's just an additive. It's an accoutrement. It's a, I don't want to say booster, but an enhancement maybe to your personality. So what she finds attractive, either physically and, mentally or whatever, is you. And the fragrance is just an add-on. It's a bonus, as they say. And confidence goes a long way also. So a fragrance is not going to do you much good if you're not confident in yourself. You enter a room, heads down, trying to, you make yourself smaller, et cetera, et cetera. It's not going to do you a bit of good. So, no matter how complimenting the fragrance is, it's not a magic wand. So some other things got to kind of happen to make, dropping them draws for you a reality. Say fragrance is just one piece of the puzzle. Like, you got to be confident, man. If you got one tooth and a gold chain, man, brush that one tooth, get it nice and shiny, shine up that gold chain, man, put on your finest duds, you know what I'm saying? Spray, don't go too heavy. Make sure you wash your ass first. That's rule number one. Wash your ass. Put on deodorant and lotion, baby, you know what I'm saying? Don't go out there, putting, it smell good on top of foam. No, I don't work. You know what I'm saying? But it's all about, confidence. You know what I mean? And if that particular person finds you physically and mentally attractive, right? So I say all that to say that there is no one fragrance out there that drops draws. It's you that drops the draws. The fragrance is an added bonus. Now, if you know of one fragrance that's guaranteed to drop draws, let your boy know. You know what I'm saying? Because I will go out into the world for you and do those scientific tests to find out if that actually happens. For you, baby, it's for science. But yeah, if you know, man, put it down in the comments, you know what I'm saying? So I can go and find out. But I just want to stop in to say that. I even thought about doing, you know, top 10 videos that'll make her or drive her crazy. And it's you, cuz. It's like, it's you that's driving her crazy. The fragrance is just an add-on. Like, wear a fragrance that you love that makes you happy, because you're the one that has to basically live with it all day. You know what I'm saying? You're the one that has to smell it all day. And if you get some compliments, and if the lady or the man in your life is like, damn, baby, I really like that on you, then that's an added bonus. And if people out in the world are like, damn, you smell great, that's an added bonus. But they only gonna do that, man, if you know, they find you, you know, personally attractive, and you know, that confidence in your aura, you know, exudes to them. I'm gonna keep doing that because it just means, you know, big as 3D. Anyway, that's all I'm trying to say, man. And that's the end of my rant. Anyway, man, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your peoples. Don't let your peoples be funky. We're still shooting for that 1,000 subscriber mark and 40 or 4,000 viewers or hours viewed here on YouTube, man. I need y'all's help. Y'all can share it to you folks. Get them to subscribe and stay a while for your boy. I would appreciate it, man. I love every single one of you. There is no me without you. I guess technically I would still exist, but you know what I'm saying. Anyway, man, see you in the next one. Y'all be easy. Gonna try this remote again. Let's see if it works on the first time. Let's look at it.